in the passenger side footwell right here, you'll see this little carpet that covers the blower motor area, which is right in there. So let's pull this off. There are 2 push clips. You don't necessarily need a trim tool. You can just pull on this and it should pop right off. Go ahead and unplug the connector. There we go. And now you'll see some screws all around. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket to get this blower motor out. One over here. I'm not going to take this one all the way out yet. I will, however, take this rear one all the way out since that's the hardest one to reach. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. Okay, hold the blower motor and remove this last one. Drop it down. Here's your blower motor. Take the new one, slide it up into place. Line up the bolt holes. There we go. Start in at least one of the bolts so you can let go. I'm just going to go ahead and start them all in. Don't make these crazy tight, they're just going into plastic. All they have to do is be snug. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in so it stops dangling in my face now. That's snug. Last one. And snug. All right, put this little piece of carpeting back in. Make sure the push clips are secured in here.